Good morning, students. Yesterday we did important terms of the chapter 4 of history, and now today I am going to explain points to remember of same chapter. So let's start. First point is Babur laid the foundation of the Mughal Empire in India. He defeated Ibrahim Lodi at the First Battle of Panipat in 1526. Rana Sanga at the Battle of Khanba in 1527, and the Afghan chiefs at the Battle of Ghagra in 1529. Okay, these are all the battles of Babur, and I think here is not any difficult word. First, laid, we can say laid, set down, and the foundation, it means establishment. Okay. So come on, next point. Humayun succeeded Babur in 1530. He had to consolidate the kingdom, deal with his brothers, and keep the Rajputs, the Afghans, and the ruler of Gujarat in check. Okay, succeeded, it means took over a throne. He had to consolidate. Consolidate, we can say, it mean to combine. Okay, अपना राज ਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਕਰਨਾ, ਉਸਨੂੰ ਵਧਾਉਣਾ. And the next point, Humayun's main rival was Sher Shah Suri, the Afghan king. Sher Shah defeated Humayun at Chauza in 1539 and Kannauj in 1540. Thereafter, the throne of Delhi passed into the hands of Afghans. Some years after the death of Sher Shah, Humayun regained his throne. He re-established the Mughal Empire in India. Okay, main rival, it means opponent, main opponent. Okay, and the next, regained, it means got back. Okay, now come on, next point. Sher Shah was the greatest ruler of Sood dynasty. He defeated Humayun and became the most powerful ruler in India. He reformed the civil and military administration, introduced land revenue reforms, and took numerous measures to encourage trade. He died in 1545. Sher Shah was the greatest ruler. Okay, defeated, haraya. And next is military administration, military, फौज, प्रशासन, इंट्रोड्यूस, जान पहचान कराई. ठीक है, दस्या किसे बारे, लैंड भूमि, रेवेन्यू कर. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, अकबर ascended the throne in 1556. Ascended, it also means took over the throne. He expanded, expand means spread, and consolidated the empire. ठीक है, combined. He was friendly towards the Rajputs. Land and trade were the two main sources of revenue. Land, bhumi, trade, vapar. Raja Todramal was the revenue minister of Akbar. Architecture, painting, literature, and music flourished during the reign of Akbar. Jahangir succeeded Akbar. He consolidated the empire further. He also continued Akbar's tolerant policies. Okay. Many European traders came to India during his reign. Noor Jahan was very powerful during this period. Noor Jahan, she is the wife of Jahangir. She was the wife of Jahangir. Shah Jahan succeeded Jahangir. He suppressed many revolts and conquered many more regions. Okay. Then Shah Jahan took over the throne. He suppressed many revolts. Suppressed, it means दुबाना, कुचलना. Next, Aurangzeb was the last of the great Mughals. Okay, Aurangzeb was the last of the great Mughals. His reign saw many revolts, the most powerful being that of the Marathas and the Sikhs. His Deccan policy weakened the empire. Okay, you should read them. You should read all the points to remember yourselves. And students, if you have any problem, you may call me today. Okay.